Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 from 22F, and today we will present our assignment, which is simple and multiple linear regression. Next is correlation coefficient. As you can see in the table, correlation coefficient for x1 equal to 0.757. That means they have strong positive relationship with each other compared to other independent variable because the data is close to 1. And for variable x6 is equal to 0.026. That means they have little linear relationship as the correlation coefficient is close to 0. My name is Nuzuraini binti Ma'daud, and I will present the introduction to simple and multiple linear regression. Simple linear regression, or SLR, is used to model the relationship between two continuous variables, and for multiple linear regression, or MLR, refer to statistical technique that use two or more independent variables to predict the outcome of a dependent variable using a straight line. So the data that we use for our report is about the criminal report. The dependent variable for this set is y equal to total overall reported crime rate per 1 million residents, and the independent variable are from x1 to x6. So this is the independent variable. Next is the state scatter plot that we got using the SPSS application.
Alright, my name is Nur Shazana Aiman binti Samsuri. I will talk about 3.3 general form of SLR equation. The general form of simple linear equation is y equals beta 0 plus beta 1x. For example, if reported violent crime rate per 1 million resident x1 equal 22 and total overall reported crime rate per 1 million residents y will be 487.72. Next, 3.4 testing the regression slope beta 1. For x1, x2, x4, it shows reject H null because p-value is less than 0.05, and for x3, x5, x6, it shows accept H null because p-value is bigger than 0.05. Next, 3.5 coefficient of determination. If r equals 0.757, then r squared equals 0.572. It means that 57.2% of the variation in the dependent variable y is accounted for by the variation in the dependent variable x. The rest of variation 0.42x or 42.8% is unexplained and called the coefficient of non-determination.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Irfan Husaini bin Saiful Azhar and my ID is 2212400350, and today I would like to talk about multiple linear regression. Multiple linear regression is a model that estimates the relationship between a quantitative dependent variable and two more dependent variables using a straight line, and it has its own formula, and my formula is there. And my task for data criminal set 2 is to find the overfitting from the MLR, to find a multi-collineary, to find a model comparison, to find the best fit model, and to point the prediction based on the best model and do the hypothesis testing.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Nafis bin Muhammad Naim. My ID is 2212400351. Today I would like to talk about conclusion and explain the advantages and disadvantages of multiple linear regression of MLR. In conclusion, both simple linear regression and multilinear regression have their own advantages and disadvantages. With simple linear regression, we can get a result of analysis using data by keeping it simple. However, by using multiple linear regression, we can get the best result, which is more specific and accurate the calculation of the analysis that help us to make decision. Now I would like to talk about the advantages of MLR. The advantages of MLR is multiple linear regression can also be used as a study of the relationship between y and independent variable stimulation. It also can be used to know how strong the relationship is between each variable. For example, you may be interested in knowing how a crop yield will change its temperature and rainfall changes. These are the main advantages of multiple linear regression analysis as compared to simple linear regression analysis. The disadvantages of MLR that two problems may arise is overfitting, which is caused by editing to many independent variables.